Carbohydrates, a word we hear almost every day. Some people fear them, some love them, and some don't even know what they really do. But today, we're going to decode the real science behind carbs. What are carbohydrates? Why does your body need them? And what happens inside your cells when you eat them? Welcome to Nutrilab 360, and in this deep exploration, we uncover the essential role of carbohydrates in human nutrition. In a way, no textbook ever explained. Carbohydrates are one of the three major macronutrients, alongside proteins and fats. But unlike the others, carbs are your body's primary and preferred source of energy. They come in three major forms: sugars, starches, and fiber. Sugars are fast-digesting molecules like glucose and fructose. Starches are long chains of glucose found in foods like rice, wheat, and potatoes. Fiber is the indigestible part of plant foods that supports gut health. Even though these forms look very different, your body converts most of them into one universal molecule: glucose, the fuel that keeps your system running. Now, why does your body need carbohydrates? Imagine your body as a city. Carbohydrates are the electricity that keeps the entire system powered. They provide immediate energy. They are the brain's preferred fuel. They protect your muscles from being broken down for energy, and they help fats burn properly. Your brain alone uses around 120 grams of glucose per day, which means thinking itself requires carbohydrates. When carbs are too low, your body begins breaking down muscle tissue to create energy, a survival mechanism you definitely don't want active. And without enough carbs, fats break down incompletely and form ketones, which can cause dehydration, dizziness, and digestive discomfort if prolonged. Inside your body, the process becomes even more fascinating. As soon as you eat foods like rice, bread, fruits, or vegetables, carbohydrates break down into glucose. This glucose enters your bloodstream, raising blood sugar levels. In response, your pancreas releases insulin, the hormone that acts like a key, letting glucose enter your cells. Once inside, glucose is burned by the mitochondria to create ATP, the energy currency of life. Extra glucose is stored in your liver and muscles as glycogen, which acts as a reserve fuel tank. When these tanks are full, any excess glucose is converted into fat, which is why overeating carbs can lead to weight gain. But not all carbs behave the same way. Some are beneficial, while others cause harm when consumed excessively. Complex carbohydrates, such as whole grains, brown rice, oats, vegetables, beans, fruits, nuts, and seeds digest slowly, keep your energy stable, and provide essential nutrients. Refined carbohydrates, like sugary drinks, white bread, sweets, pastries, and processed snacks, digest rapidly and cause spikes in blood sugar, leading to insulin resistance and other metabolic problems over time. So carbohydrates aren't un problème pour. Carbohydrate choices are. For athletes and active individuals, carbohydrates are even more crucial. During exercise, especially high-intensity workouts, your body relies heavily on muscle glycogen. These glycogen stores allow you to run faster, lift heavier, and sustain performance. When glycogen levels drop, your performance crashes, a condition known as hitting the wall. That's why athletes load up on carbohydrates before competitions. Carbs are the fuel that moves the body. So, how many carbohydrates do you really need? Nutrition experts recommend that 45 to 65% of your daily calories come from carbohydrates. For someone consuming 2,000 calories a day, that translates to around 225 to 325 grams of carbohydrates. But what matters even more than the amount is the quality. Choosing fiber-rich whole food carbohydrates is key to maintaining strong energy levels and long-term health. There are also many myths surrounding carbohydrates. One common myth is that carbs make you fat, but in reality, only excess calories cause fat gain. Another myth is that low-carb diets are always healthy, but extremely low-carb eating can harm brain function, digestion, hormonal balance, and overall energy levels. And perhaps the most misleading myth is that all carbs are the same as sugar, but whole carbohydrates contain vitamins, minerals, fiber, and antioxidants, while sugar provides only empty calories. So what is the real role of carbohydrates in nutrition? They give us energy, protect our muscles, fuel the brain, support digestion, maintain metabolism, and help us perform both mentally and physically. Carbs are not your enemy. They are your body's primary energy partner. Eat the right kind of carbohydrates, and your body will reward you with stable energy, better performance, and improved long-term health. If you found this explanation helpful, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with anyone who needs science-based nutritional knowledge. Thanks for watching.